My beloved child, I hold your heart in my hands. Don't be afraid. I see you, not just your smile, but the silent tears, the sleepless nights, the burdens you carry that no one else knows. You're not invisible to me. You are fully known and deeply, eternally loved. When you feel like you're falling apart, know this: I am holding you together. Come as you are. You don't need to pretend with me. Bring me your fear, your anxiety, your brokenness. I'm not scared of your pain. I want to heal it. I'm not frustrated by your doubts. I want to walk through them with you. Even now, I'm working in places you cannot see. What feels like silence is my preparation. What looks like delay is my protection. You haven't missed it. You're not behind. You're exactly where I can reach you. Let me be your peace. When your thoughts race and your chest tightens with fear, pause. Breathe. I am with you. In your weakness, I am your strength. In your sorrow, I am your comfort. In your waiting, I am your purpose. You are never alone, not for a single breath. I see your heart, the longing, the wounds, the courage to keep going when everything screams, give up. I honor that. I celebrate even your smallest steps, especially those. Let go of the lies. You are not too far gone. You are not disqualified. Your past hasn't ruined your future. I specialize in redemption. I am the God who parts seas, who speaks to storms, who breathes life into dry bones. Nothing is too broken for me, so bring me the pieces. Let me fill the hollow places. Let me restore what was lost, renew what was broken, and awaken what has grown silent in you. I am not just your shelter. I am your resurrection, the light in your darkness, the joy in your mourning. You don't have to fix everything. That's my job. You just have to trust me. The world may rush you, but I will never pressure you. My love waits. It welcomes. It restores. Rest in me. Release the pressure. Lay down the weight. Let me be your stillness in the storm. Your dreams are not dead. I placed them there, and I will breathe life into them again. Joy is coming back. Hope is rising. You are stepping into a new beginning, even if you can't see it yet. So breathe deep, child. I'm not done. I'm just getting started. You are mine, and nothing, absolutely nothing, will ever take you from my hands.